Ooh, nani?
How you doing, everyone? Welcome. You guys are being weird.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's JD, and welcome back to a new video. Guess what we're doing today? We're opening up boxes from companies that have given me things for free because I have not found time to open these things. All right, so this first product comes to us from Nintendo, and it is in partnership with Fortnite, as you can see on the piece of paper. Speaking of which, shout out to Nintendo for providing this product, and let's follow all FTC guidelines. Ooh, okay, I didn't know this was here. All right, so let's start with we got a little banana buddy. banana from, his name's Peely. That's cool. Next, we got a Fortnite loot pack, which includes pins, patches, vinyl stickers, and magnets. Nice. Oh, that's not half bad. What is that? Hold on. Is that a notebook? Oh, that's kind of cool. What am I, 7? I feel like if I was like a little kid, this would be, oh my God. All right. Shout out to Nintendo and Fortnite, because this is a Fortnite journal. It's actually kind of clean. I like the colors. Okay, Fortnite journal. Shout out to Fortnite for providing this Fortnite. It's actually a nice little journal. I might write some ideas down in it. But yeah. I don't play Fortnite, but shout out to Fortnite. Second to last, I think this is a Fortnite fanny pack that can also fit your Switch. It's kind of cool. Okay. Fortnite fanny. It's got like a rainbow strap on the back. I like that. I need a fanny pack for when I go running, you know? I need that. Okay. Shout out to Fortnite, yo. Last but not least, we got some Joy-Cons. Are these new? Fortnite edition. Fortnite edition Joy-Cons and a bonus 500 V-Bucks inside. All right. Not half bad. Super clean. Shout out to Nintendo. I definitely wanted some new Fortnite, or not, well, I wanted new Joy-Cons, honestly. I'm a big fan of like just, I like these. I like collecting them. All right, cool. Thank you, Nintendo, for providing those products. Let's see what I got next. Oh yeah, what's up? So we're doing unboxing. Nutter Butter. Yeah, shout out to Nutter Butter for getting nutty. Get your nutty game on, it says. All right. There's a few items in here that look pretty cool. I think I see a t-shirt and also some snacks. That's always nice. Nutter Butter invites you to get your nutty game on and tune in on National Peanut Butter Cookie Day, June 12th. This is an old package. For a day full of nuttiness. Why do they do this, bro? Nutter Butter FaZe Clan, top streaming personalities for an 8-hour takeover on Twitch. I missed this. Okay, that's great. Want more nuttiness? Why? From now to July 31st, get your nutty game on, bro. Why? I can't take them serious, man. Thanks, Nutter Butter. Woo! I gotta stop saying yes when I get emails like this. Emails will be like, hey man, we got some stuff for you. And I'm like, oh, for sure. And then they're like, yeah, can we send it to you? And I'm like, yeah, whatever. And then I get stuff like this. Shout out to Nutter Butter, by the way. But what is this? So it came with a t-shirt, came with this little info thing. It also came with family size Nutter Butter cookies. Not gonna lie to you, these are gonna get destroyed. Sound kind of bomb. And peanut butter lovers cookie. Yay! Wow, that's awesome. It's a cool little briefcase, I give you that. Y'all need to start putting money in here like it's Christmas. All right, this one's actually a pretty cool thing. All right, so this one is from PlayStation, and they sent me this for my birthday, which was like 2 weeks ago, I think now. I didn't know they were gonna send me this. I just thought it was super cool, super nice of them. They didn't have to do it at all. But they sent me this, which I don't think anybody else has. They sent me this PlayStation logo light up light, black and blue. Gives me some strong PlayStation 2, PS5 vibes. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I need to put this on the wall somewhere type of thing. And it needs a plug in, and I guess if I plug it in, it'll be blue. Should we plug it in? Official licensed product is what it says on the back. So it's legit. I don't think I've ever seen it though. So I need 2 nails in the wall to hang it, I guess. I don't know, but it looks fire. I need to find a spot somewhere in this office to put it. That's weird though. Why would it be like that? Is that meant? Do you think it's supposed to be like an iced out chain? Hey, bro. Ain't nobody got drip like me, dog. Hey, yeah, boy. I'm not seeing it online purchase, so it might be pretty exclusive. Hey, that's what's up. Yeah, this does feel kind of exclusive. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I'm gonna look around the room real quick. So I'm thinking it looks good back here on the wall. All right, I'm gonna show you the wall in just a second. I'm not gonna hook it up right now, but I'll figure it out, and next time we're on stream, you'll probably see it in the background. All right. Not enough width. It looked kind of small over there, but it definitely fits over there. I just haven't had a chance to really put it up together. As you can see, my office is still a mess. Like this is right now we're in the what do you call it? We're in the functional stage of creating content. I'm not here to make my office look good yet. But yeah, thanks to the PlayStation for sending me that for my birthday. Super cool. And I got one more thing. Actually, let me try plugging it in real quick. I want to make a TikTok. You can't tell from where you are, but it's real blue. It looks white on camera, but it's blue. I can't explain it. Like if you see the color on that's popping off of my hoodie, it's blue. It's black and blue. This looks white, maybe because of the RGB quality, but it's all blue. It's pretty sick. Dude, that's so clean. I can't wait to put this up in here somewhere. Oh, we got one more box. Sorry. We got one more box of goodies. All right, everybody. Last but not least, I got a box from my friends over at Disney Plus. Shout out to Disney for providing this product. As you can see, it is Loki related because that's the TVA symbol, the Time Variance Authority. Let's see what we got. It says, new recruit letter. Dear recruit, on behalf of everyone at the Time Variance Authority, we'd like to say welcome. We were created by the Timekeepers to protect the sacred timeline. We're excited to present you with your own new recruit package filled with everything you'll need to be an incredible worker on your first day on the job. If you watch the show, then you know what I'm getting at. We're thrilled for you to help protect the timeline from variants such as Loki Lofison, one of our most recent case files. Good luck, and remember, time passes differently at the TVA. For more information, start streaming Marvel Studios' Loki, an original series on Disney Plus. It's such a good show too. Like, shout out to Marvel, shout out to Disney. They're creating some good stuff over there. Let me know if you need me. Marvel, Disney, I'm out here. Yo, I got you. All right, let's see what's here. All right, TVA box. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Oh, that's fire. What? I've had this for like a month since Loki started. I haven't had time to open it up. But yo, shout out a Miss Minutes clock, bro. That's sick. What the heck? Yo, it's like a legit clock. Yo, that's sick. I gotta put this up somewhere up in the office. Hey, that's clean, man. Let's go. All right, so we got Miss Minutes. Oh, the Time Variance Authority. For all time, always. Ooh. That's clean. I'm gonna set that up. That's gonna be my clock somewhere. Maybe put it above my desk. That's one of a kind, right? Hey, I'm trying to give you all that exclusives for the people. Here we go, Marvel Studios, Loki. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh, nani? Whole bunch of stuff. Let's start with the left. We got some extra large socks. Some Loki socks. Low key though. Those look clean. And then we got a pin with Loki on it. Loki. Why, yes. Oh! We got a Time Variance Authority mug. That's so cool. Okay. All right, that's clean. I don't know what this is, but I'm about to open it. Time Variance Authority. Oh, a pen. Wow. It's fancy. It's cool. It's very cool. There you go. That's very cool. What? It's a sticky note tesseract. It's just a bunch of sticky notes and they all make a tesseract. That's pretty cool. I like that. Look, sticky notes. They gave me everything I need for my first day at the Time Variance Authority. Oh wow, they even gave me TVA staplers? Yo, what the heck? I gotta open these on time. This is clean. TVA tape? I think you're supposed to put tape on this. And then you like roll it through. Hilarious. A journal. Is this really a journal? That's kind of cool. TVA little journal. And you write it says everything you've ever said. And then you have little notepads. That's cool. And last but not least, the coup de grace. I knew this was in here. Bruh, got our own variant jacket. Got our own look. Oh, it says TVA on the back. I thought it said variant. Oh, is it reversible? I want it to say variant on the back. Dang. That's still clean though. TVA. It said, bruh, time for a skit. Okay. Low key. That's clean. Dang, I'm gonna have to do a Loki skit. All right, that's that. I hope you enjoyed it. Cool. If you did, hit the like button, share, link, description below, subscribe, check the videos over there on the bottom right, and now check out the link. Bye.